Hi there, everybody. Today you're going to do some practicing with the staff. And the most important thing to know for today's lesson is that we always count from the bottom when we're looking at the staff. So here's a music staff like you've seen a bunch of times, and you have to look at the lines first. Those are easy to see. We have 5 lines, and we always count from the bottom. So this is line 1, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. And over here, but then also you have to look between the lines, and between the lines we call the space. So this is the first space, the second space, the third space, the fourth space. So that is how you have to look at a staff. So look at this. Let's just focus on the lines and look at this paper. Can you figure out what line this note is on? Count from the bottom. This note is on the second line. It's just that simple. What about this one? This note is on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line. And this one, it's on the first line. So it's pretty simple. The lines are usually easier to see, but there's also the spaces, and they can be tricky. You have to look between the lines. So here's a space note. What space is it on? It's on the first space. See how it's between those 2 lines? That's the first space. What about this one? First, second, third, fourth. That is the 4th space. That note's on the 4th space. And what about this one? The second space. Wow, now that you can see it so clearly, I bet you'll have no trouble at all doing the assignment. There are 9 questions. Every question gets its own page. So after you do a question, just click next and you'll get the next one. And you have 2 chances to do the whole thing, so I know you're going to get a perfect score.